These are the elevators at the Park something building at the Carriage Park Apartments in Green Tree, Straw Township, Carnegie, Pennsylvania. Pittsburgh, modernized with Otis Series 2. Oh no, these are Westinghouse, that's weird. This building looks exactly like the first building, which I Pittsburgh. This one's Westinghouse, weird. Terrace. Interior go down, modernized in the exact same way though. Terrace.
Going up.
Oh, okay. Interior penthouse. So I guess that's the bright side about social distancing. Or maybe it's just because they had a Cardella.
Penthouse.
You got the penthouse? Oh,
Going down.
Back down to one. Door closes has been replaced, I think. And you found the brass call cancel button. There's a basic redone Otis cab. Yeah, that's interesting. This one has the same design as the food building, which had Pittsburgh with armor. No, this one was a Westinghouse. And the other one had a different design. That one had Pittsburgh with armor. So that's weird.
First floor.
First floor.
Going down.
I'll do this.